Welcome to Book One. In this walkthrough, we'll explore how to create and manage group bookings, from reservation to checkout, invoicing, and more. Start by logging into the application. From the dashboard, go to the front office module and open Reservation Management. Click on Book a Room to start a new booking. To create a group booking, turn on the Group Booking toggle. Select the room type, choose the arrival and departure dates, and pick the plan. Enter the number of rooms, persons, and children. Finally, choose the source of booking and click Add. You can also collect an advance amount, allocate rooms from the Room Allocation section, and enter guest information for each room. Click Save to create the group booking. The group booking you've created instantly appears in the Reservation Management section. To allocate rooms in bulk, select the required bookings and click Bulk Allocation. Click Confirm Allocation to assign rooms for all selected bookings. You can also allocate rooms individually using the Assign Room button, either on the child booking card or inside the reservation details. To release rooms in bulk, select the bookings and click Room Release. Enter the reason and click Yes to confirm. For bulk check-in, select bookings that share the same arrival date. In the pop-up, add any missing KYC details, mark rooms as vacant ready, and click the pencil icon, search for an existing or new guest, turn on the toggle, and update the details. And click Check-in to complete the process. You can collect payments in bulk. Click Collect Payment. Choose whether to settle to the group master or settle individually. Enter the amount, select the payment mode, and click Confirm. To check out in bulk, select all bookings with the same departure date, click Checkout. After bulk checkout, click Generate Invoice to create a single consolidated group invoice. To download or print the group booking voucher, simply click the Voucher button. And that's how easy it is to create and manage group bookings in Book One. Stay updated with our latest features and tutorials. Subscribe us on YouTube.